So the next topic is, earlier we have learned about computer number systems. Now we have some more digital codes which the computer uses for different practical applications. Among them, the first one is BCD code. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. So already we have a binary code for a particular decimal number, but these BCD codes are used, they are developed to solve or to meet certain practical situations where these codes are used. In practical applications such as digital calculators, digital voltmeters, frequency counters, wherein the digital display should display the decimal numbers, the decimal digits, their BCD codes are used. Actually, in those digital displays, each digital display, the answer should be displayed as a decimal number, but inside the operations are done using binary numbers. So to solve the problem, we use BCD codes. In BCD codes, simple. For example, if I have a decimal number 123, if I have a decimal number 123, each digit is represented by a 4-bit binary code. This 123. 3, the 4-bit binary code for 3 is 0011. The 4-bit binary code for 2 is 0010. The 4-bit binary code for 1 is 0001. Now this is the BCD code corresponding to 123. It is very simple. In BCD, each decimal digit is converted into a 4-bit binary number. That's it. Actually 123, the binary number corresponding to 123 is a different one. It could be a 6-bit binary code, but still in BCD we may get more number of bits, but this becomes useful in computing the operations for the computer, which will be discussed in the later classes. So there is one more thing to remember in these BCD codes. We are using 4-bit binary code to represent a decimal digit. As we are using 4 bits to represent 4-bit binary code, 4-bit binary code has the range starting from 4 zeros to 4 ones, right? 0001, 0010, 0011, 0100, 0101, 0110, 0111, 1000, 1001, 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110, 1111. The decimal number corresponding to this binary is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So using 4-bit binary code, we can represent the decimal numbers from 0 to 15. But this is a BCD code. That means only decimal digit is represented by a 4-bit binary code. But we have decimal digits from 0 to 9. 10 is not a digit. So even though we can represent 10 using a 4-bit binary code, these are not allowed in BCD. These codes are invalid BCD codes. So if I give you a BCD code and if you find a binary code whose decimal value is greater than 9, then that is a invalid BCD code, or you can understand that it is not a BCD code. Okay, BCD codes will always represent the decimal numbers from 0 to 9 only, because they are introduced or they are developed to serve that purpose itself. They are introduced to represent the decimal digit. The decimal digit starts from 0 and ends with 9. So only these 10 binary codes are valid BCD codes. You have to remember this thing in your mind. So simple. Now if I have a number 56, the corresponding BCD code of 56 is 8421, right? 4 plus 1, 8421. This is the BCD code corresponding to 56. Now you have another number 39, 8421, 8421. This is the BCD code corresponding to 39. Now one more thing you have to keep in mind is that now for this 10, the valid BCD code is 0001. This 1 is represented using a 4-bit binary and 0 is represented using another 4-bit binary. In a similar fashion for 11, 1, 1, 12, 1, 2, 13, 1, 3, 14, 1, 4, 15, 1, 5. That's it. This is about BCD codes. Okay. The next digital code is gray codes. Here remember that these BCD codes are used in practical applications such as frequency counters, digital calculators, digital voltmeters, wherein digital display of decimal numbers is required. Okay. So next, gray codes. This gray code, it is developed for some interesting reasons. There are interesting situations which led to the development of this gray code. First of all, I will tell the properties of this gray code. It is a reflected binary code. Reflected binary code, and also the Hamming distance between two successive gray codes is 1 bit. Hamming distance in the sense the difference between two gray codes is just 1 bit only.